The dangers of driving with a FAILEDMERCEDES muffler. Understanding the importance of the muffler. Muffler's role in noise reduction. The muffler's primary function is to reduce the loud noises produced during engine operation, ensuring a quieter driving experience. Noise sources. Explains how engine noise is generated through the operation of valves, pistons, and exhaust valve openings. Consequences of a defective muffler. Abnormal back pressure. A faulty muffler disrupts exhaust back pressure, leading to drivability issues like rough engine idle and cylinder misfires. Loss of performance. Muffler problems restrict engine breathing, resulting in reduced torque output and hesitation during acceleration. Decreased fuel efficiency. Muffler malfunctions can cause the onboard computer to inject extra fuel, leading to increased fuel consumption. Identifying signs of muffler failure. Loud exhaust sound. A prominent symptom of muffler issues is an unusually loud exhaust sound due to the loss of noise suppression. Engine warning light. Illuminated check engine light and stored error codes may indicate muffler problems. Unusual exhaust odor. A strange exhaust odor inside the vehicle can be a sign of a leaking muffler. Importance of muffler maintenance. Preventing expensive repairs. Neglecting the muffler's maintenance can lead to costly drivability problems, emphasizing the importance of addressing issues promptly. Keeping the muffler in check. Regular inspections and addressing any signs of muffler failure can save vehicle owners from expensive repairs and maintain optimal performance.